Hello and welcome. So it's the first test run for this Parkside Lawnmower Robot Mower, and it's 13 minutes in. It's cutting crisscrossy all over the place. I had to reposition the wire here along the edge because it kept going over the edge. It was too close to the edge. What I really want to explore in this video is how long it'll do in that little 2 amp battery that Parkside supplied with it. It's doing okay so far, but I'll give you the runtime just for your own benefit. Right, it's an hour in, they're still cutting. Good things and bad things. Good thing is the battery's still running. Bad thing, he hasn't done a wild lot of cutting for a full hour. He's just striped all over the place, but you know, patience is a wonderful thing. Bad thing number 2, I have a rural sort of a lawn here, and there's been lots of livestock broken into it over the years, and there's little pitfalls on it, so it seems to be getting stuck in them from time to time, so that's a problem. That's a problem. I'll probably need to roll the lawn, but if you're I had to give him a little kick there, but that's not ideal for a rough lawn, so I wouldn't recommend this device for a rough lawn, to be honest. You need a good smooth lawn for it to work on. Good thing, the cable's about over 2 feet, and it was supposed to be about 300 millimeters, I thought, but no, it needs to be on 2 foot. It hasn't gone over the edge since I've moved the wire. More work needs to be done, but that's kind of my problem because my lawn's a bit rough. You mightn't be able to see it, but it's on the display. It says if you're turning, it's following the green line, you know. You won't be able to see it maybe, but it says in the readout it's returning, so it must be returning to base. So that's just over an hour of cutting and has to go back to base. Now that's with a 2 amp hour fully charged battery, so hopefully if I replace it with a bigger battery I'll get better results. It's made its way back to the charging base, and it's 29%, 30%, close coverage start, so low battery voltage, it says there. So she would need to be cutting a lot more between charges, and the 2 amp hour battery does not allow for that, so I'm going to have to upgrade the battery. That's the next thing. To sum this up, the Parkside mower cut for an hour, then charged for an hour, then cut for another hour, then it has to charge for another hour. So that's unsustainable. That's not good enough for my lawn, so I'm going to have to drop the 8 amp battery into it to see if it'll do better tomorrow. There's been some problems with my lawn being a rougher lawn and that not being able to cope with some of the indents and wee imperfections in it. Other than that, it might do your job, but you need to be mindful of what it can do. I'm going to try it with the 8 amp battery tomorrow, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.